I I hope everyone is doing great. I have like something to share with you guys. That is, have you ever thought about why some people are like naturally disciplined and some people are like forcing to be disciplined and they can't actually sustain it? I think in my personal opinion it's because of their reason behind why they are disciplined. If your reason behind disciplined is um, a goal, a result, maybe for like admiration, respect, or anything that's like external factors, like something that's not actually in your control, and that's really your motivation for being disciplined, I can like say you'll end up not sustaining being disciplined. Maybe you will be like disciplined for like 3 to 4 months or until you get the result, and after you got the result you will be like stop being disciplined, because you got your result. Maybe the result aren't motivating when the life gets bad, and that's why these people who are like forcing to be disciplined, like, oh, I need to be disciplined because I want this. Those kind of discipline doesn't sustain, because effort will show you that it's so discomfortable, it's so painful some days that you don't want, you will be like probably choosing to stay in comfort than putting effort for the result you want. So how some people are like naturally disciplined, because they have this, maybe they know this, I think they know that only meaningful effort, like working on goals, having like a great connections with people, and all those kind of stuff that are like having meaning in life, those things, working on those things, effort on those things are the only thing that can actually make life happy, meaningful, purposeful, and all those stuff. They know those reason behind. They know the reason behind why they are disciplined. They know why they are putting effort, and the effort part might not be for the results. It's not for admiration. It's not for like uh, some kind of like a big achievement or something. It's for being happy, it's for having leading a good life, because they do know that if you're going to put effort on something, it's going to naturally make you a happy person, someone who's proud of himself, someone who respects himself. It will be like, okay, I'm doing this, it's hard, it's not easy, it's painful, but I do know this is going to make me feel proud, this is going to make me feel happy. That's why I'm being disciplined. I'm doing this even though I don't feel like it. I might be feeling extremely tired, but I want to do this. I might be bored, but I want to do this. I might be feeling anything right now. Maybe I'm so happy at the moment I don't want to put effort on anything, but I will still put the effort on things that matters to me. I think that's the real difference between those who are naturally disciplined and those who are like forcing discipline. It's just the reason behind why they are disciplined is different. If you don't have like a strong reason behind why you're doing something, you can't actually sustain it. It's from my personal experience, I have realized if you don't have like a strong reason, the reason that doesn't depend on others, you'll probably end up giving up. You can't sustain with external motivation and all those things. You have to like have an internal reason behind why you are doing something, and that actually matters. Okay. This is my, I'm just trying to make some English videos. I might not really be good at English, but yeah, I just want to share what's on my mind. Bye, take care, peace.